In this video, I will show you how to lock a folder in macOS. This video is for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac and Mini Mac. In some cases, if you want to hide some private files from others which are there on your Mac machine and you want to put a lock with a password to that folder, so only the person who has password can access those private files, then this video is for you. For example, there is a folder on Mac machine currently sample photos, and there is a photo which I do not want to share with others. Then we can just create a lock on the folder so others cannot access that one. So let's get started. In order to do that, click on the launchpad and search for disk utility. Click on the disk utility to open the disk utility. Once you have opened the disk utility, click on the file, new image and blank image. In this, we have to give some name here. So I'm going to give the name as test folder. I will give the name as test folder because if anybody will look at the folder, they will just think that this is just for the testing purpose and they will not try to open it. If you give any suspicious name such as lock folder or private files or only my files, then it makes the other person curious and they more want to open that folder. So it's better to just keep the simple name. Size would be 100 MB just to show you. But if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. For example, 1 GB, 2 GB. Format would be APFS. Partition would be single partition GUID partition map, and image folder would be sparse disk image. Now click on the encryption and it will ask you for the password. Click on the 256 AES encryption and enter your password. It can be 4 characters long or more as well. Click choose, click save. You just need to click on done here and close this one. Now you just want to put a lock on the private files folder. First of all, eject the test folder here and click on the test folder image. It will ask you for the password. So enter the password and click OK. Now when you are in the test folder, move the folder that you want to put the lock on and close the test folder. Now you can delete the original folder as well. Click on the eject test folder. Okay, so now there is no folder for the sample folder which was there earlier. If you want to see that folder, you need to click on the image. You need to enter your password. Click OK and the test folder will appear. If you click on it, you can see our sample photos folder here. In this way, you can lock a folder in macOS. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.